can see anybody in the back, which is great because this is a great option for those that don't have a very good mirror and have maybe a smaller mirror or something that's not there. This is a great All right, today we're gonna bring a dash cam, and this is a mirror dash cam. I'm not taking the actual plastic until ready to mount. Now this one has a camera, two cameras, one in the back for the back camera, and this is for the front camera. And what I like about this, look at this, stretchable. They give you these rubber bands here that actually wrap around your existing your existing mirror that you have. All right, so this actually grabs on and it could become a mirror and actually a camera feature that you're going to see, be able to view this stuff in the back and the front. They give you a manual to start with. All right, the manuals are included with it. They give you an extra accessory, extra larger ones, rubber bands, in case you have larger mirrors. All right, the new cars have a lot longer mirrors, so this is going to be adjustable. I have a smaller one here, so we're not going to have an issue actually setting it up. They come with the actual power, which is a cigarette lighter to Type-C connection. They give you the extra camera in the back and different features to set it up. Now the camera in the back has different power outputs, and it actually has a 3.5 jack that you're going to require to connect to this system. So you're going to run the cable from the back to the front. All right, that's mandatory to do that. So in the top of it, you got a couple of features. This is a touchscreen, and you have the AVI in, which is the 3.5 jack that we have, and then you have a memory card, which is that it's included already in here, and this is going to be 32 gigs, if you guys can see that. So we'll put it back. GPS if you require, but most of the phones have them already, and the Type-C connection for the power. Now to set it up is simple. Adjust the camera how you want to view your front of the panel, and this, like I said, it expands. Make sure you remove the plastic. All right, we're gonna grab our camera here, and we want to make sure this part right here goes out to the back. Make sure that you clean it up. Don't touch it too much. This thing wraps around here into the existing glass, and you have different rails here that you could grab the actual camera from. So we're gonna choose that one and just pull it down for now. Do the same thing. And if the mirror is a little larger, it's fine. Just stretch it out. It comes out. And you adjust it how you want here. So I'm going to turn it on first time. Turn it on. And the camera, you're going to see it right now come on. And there it is. It's coming on. If you guys can see that. Gives you a little sound telling you, welcome and everything. So we're going to adjust this how we want to see the actual front. All right. And right now, we're going to adjust it very well. And it says SD card is not in format. Say OK. It's formatting the car. So here's the actual camera what we're looking at right now, and we're going to show you guys some of the features. Here, example, you have settings. Under settings, you can change the actual value of how many minutes it's going to loop. Sensor, any kind of sensor, that means movement. Force rear mirror, so we haven't set it up yet, but we're going to set that up. And resolution, we're running at 4K right now. So you got minimum requirements in here, but that's all you need. You got the time, you got the setup. So let's go ahead and test it out how it looks. Show you. I haven't done cable management, but I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so I'm going to scroll to the right. You guys can see this is the front camera. This is both cameras, the back and the front. All right, and then you can stop it, or you could go back, or you could go forward. So when you're driving in this mode, it's going to change automatically to the back camera, so you can see anybody in the back, which is great because this is a great option for those that don't have a very good mirror and have maybe a smaller mirror or something that's not there. This is a great replacement too also, and it shows you the rear. So this is the front camera, these are both cameras, and then the rear camera. Right, so automatically it's going to switch to the rear camera. This is adjustable. If you guys can see, the camera's adjustable here in the front. But the whole thing is very simple to put together, plug and play. Just do the cable management. That's my next thing I'm going to do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.